Okay, so you're heading into the backcountry. This TerraWest Core Avalanche kit might just be your new best friend. This isn't just a backpack, it's a safety net disguised as a sleek, 22-liter pack. First up, the Reco Reflector. It's integrated right into the top, which could be a lifesaver if things go south. Search and rescue teams use harmonic radar to pinpoint your location, so it's like having a silent beacon on your side. Then there's the SAS Deck Back Protector. It's removable, which is great if you want to lighten the load for less intense runs, but knowing it's there offering impact protection. That's peace of mind you can't put a price on. Hydration is key, and the included 2-liter bladder is a no-brainer. Staying hydrated in the backcountry is crucial, and this makes it easy. Now let's talk about the essentials, the shovel and probe. The aluminum shovel feels sturdy, with a telescopic shaft that makes quick work of snow removal. And the 240 cm probe. It deploys fast, which is exactly what you need in an avalanche situation. It's lightweight too, so it won't weigh you down. But here's the thing, this isn't just for the slopes. It's got compartments for your laptop and work stuff, so you can use it for commuting. Hiking, cycling. It's versatile. Overall, the TerraWest Core Avalanche Kit is a solid piece of gear. It's got the safety features you need in the backcountry, plus the versatility for everyday use. If you're serious about safety and want a backpack that can do it all, this is definitely worth checking out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.